Good day, everyone. We are here together with my groupmate to discuss and have a clear and thorough analysis explaining our project details, its purpose, and the studies regarding its problem and able to solve in this program and works. The program demonstrates a conversion of masses that can use in practical applications and providing an easy solution in the field of mechanical engineering.
Ever since the concept of mass has existed, conversion have always existed with it, regardless of what factor it takes. From simple to complex standards design conversion have always been there to measure the certain units. With converting units being ever-changing as time passes to make it more accurate, program must also learn to adapt with these changes. In the field of mechanical engineering have noticed and made aware of mass conversions. Different interaction in regards to this can be observed. This program was conceptualized with observation of similar situation experienced by the engineers and those around them regarding this phenomenon.
One study concluded that the program of mass conversion do have a relationship with great efficiency according to Megdadi, Alumnani, Shadid, Masharko, and El Musil in the year 2016. Another study's results found that there is a significant and positive relation between the program of mass conversion, efficiency, and lesser effort for the users and engineers in the field of mechanical engineering, according to Makasheva and Sibikova in the year 2017.
The goal of the program is to show the extent of the effects of a program of a mass conversion to the users in the field of mechanical engineering when taking a lot of conversions. The following questions and test cares were developed to answer this question. Number 1. Will the program behave as expected? Number 2. What will be the effect of the efficiency and time consumption in converting units of masses in using a program material? Number 3. Do the efficiency of manual mass converting and mass converting with the use of program vary from each other? If so, to what extent do they vary?
The findings of this program might serve as a stepping stone for engineering societies and educational systems regarding the approaches for faster mass conversion concerning the program. Also, applying our learnings in C programming and provide practical application of computer programming and providing solution to industry-based or community-based problem. And if the program fails to behave in our working model given by our instructor, then it shall be debugged and corrected. Engineers, proctors, and researchers everywhere can benefit from this program by adapting the program of mass conversion used through the results of the study. Instructors of mechanical engineering department through this program can gain methods and ideas on how to effectively take programs by referring the results and possible implications of the program in regards to the independent and the dependent variable, and also by knowing the possible effects of the phenomenon. Engineers will know what to focus on and what to disregard when taking designs and programs. This study may also serve as a reference for future researchers and engineers who wish to dwell on this similar topic.
First is start. Here we initialize variable v is equal to 0, where v is for the user's input. Here is input mass conversion, where if you put 1, it will lead you to kilogram to slug, and if you put 2, it will lead you to slug to kilogram, and if you put 3, it will lead you to slug to ton, and if you put 4, it will lead you to ton to slug, and if you put 5, it will lead you to kilogram to ton, and if you put 6, it will lead you to ton to kilogram. For example, we choose 1. We go directly to kilogram to slug. Here, we put C is equal to 14.5939 and D is equal to 1. We initialize variable A for the value of mass kilogram. Formula we made for getting the kilogram to slug is value is equal to A times the quotient of D and C. While if you put 2, if the user's input option is 2, we initialize variable float A for the constant mass log, and variable C is equal to 1, and variable D for constant 14.5939, where we have the same formula. Value is equal to A times the quotient of D and C. And it will process your conversion if you put any value to be converted, and it will display result value. After that, it will ask you to it will send message if you would you like to do another conversion. If you put yes, it will lead you, or it will make you go back on choosing mode of mass conversion. And if you say no, it will stop. That's all.
And for the explanation of program codes, the first part was initializing variable v is equal to 1, and then using the while loop where v is not equal to 0, and then use for the choice that the user input, and then this print input for mass conversion, then where you can choose kilogram to slug, slug to kilogram, slug to ton, ton to slug, kilogram to ton, and ton to kilogram. And then this part is the user input interface, and also the integer for variable. And then this part is initializing variable for the value of mass in kilogram, and then the variable C for constant 14.5939, and then the variable D is equal to 1. And then this part is the asking the user for the value of kilogram, and then the formula in getting the slug, and then printing of the value of slug. And then this is the print integer 0 if the user wanted to say no, and then the print integer 1 for yes. Then the user input in his choice. And then if the user will for integer 0 for no, then it displays the you are going to about to exit the program according to this program code. If you enter K1, then you will go to the kilogram to slug conversion, and will instruct the user to input digits or numerical values you want to convert, and press enter again to get the converted value with the desired unit of conversion. After that, the program will ask if the user would like to do another conversion, and has choices by entering K0 for no and entering K1 for yes. If the user will enter K1, then it will do another calculation and pick another K for different unit conversions. If the user decided to do enter K0 for no, then it is about to exit the program and end the process of conversion.
In conclusion, from the established program stated in this chapter, it can be concluded that program in mass conversion does in fact have a connection with greater efficiency and faster calculation regarding the converting of different units of masses.
From the established program stated in this chapter, it can be concluded that the effects of having a program of mass conversion in the field of mechanical engineering can greatly help for faster calculation and monitoring. Though this might be the case with the number one major factor that relates to time management that can help the engineers and the users of mechanical engineering field to function with greater accuracy and efficiency. it would be of interest for further investigations and test programs for possible potential improvement. Thank you.